everyone. Okay, so today I will present the module which is the level designer part 2, where we will be able to create the level manually. Like I will be able to add or remove any building, any road, add the beautification in the road. So where here we are. First we have the major roads. Okay, we have the collection of the roads. Then we have the cross areas, like the cross section of the road, side objects. In the side object we have lights, we have the green belt, and the other, I'm sorry about this, other objects uh, like the trees on both sides, pedestrian and cones, etc, etc. So again we have the buildings. In the building side we have options like the corner buildings, not corner buildings, the building which can cover the both side of the block, and the same category with the corner buildings and the building which can cover the entire block. Okay, so let's move with this one. For example, just click on this one and we will get the building. Okay, and on any point if you click the right button, you will be able to deselect that option. Okay, so again right click, you will be able to rotate the camera. Okay, and while clicking on the right button of the mouse, you will be able to uh, push the key ASDW for movement, Q and E for up and down movement, and focus key is F. Select any object and click F button and you will be able to focus on that object. Okay, so click on this one and we have a placeholder here, and it will show that are we able to place the object or not by the color of the holder. If we if we press the control key and click, then it will create a copy of that building at the same spot, and if you want to overlap the building, it will show that it will not allow you to place the building on the same place two times. Okay, just, and again we can click or we can select any of the building and click and no, not this one, but let's add the side buildings. For example, this one here, and also right click, and also if I want to add a building here, so I want to flip the building, and we have a solution for that. Just click this one and click on flip. It will flip the building on x-axis, and same for the y-axis. If you want to flip on the y-axis, you will get the y flip. Okay, and click again, you will get the scale rotation back, and again click. Okay, uh, control click and place the building. So here are the first block of our building. Okay, so if you want to add the building, just click on this plus button, press shift key, and you will add the vertices, and you can move anywhere. For example, if you want to add the road here, just place your camera and adjust the placement of this road according to our requirement, and we can adjust the road offset, or we can use this handlebar. Click on the stop view and drag on this side, and then now we are on the orthographic view, and we can adjust the offset and the size of this building, of this road. Okay, so here we are. Also click on this button again and turn off the orthographic view, and by using ASDW and QE key while pressing the shift key, we can control our camera. So let's move toward the texture of this road. Click on any of the vertices, select any of the road texture, and it will be replaced, and we will get different artifacts and things on the edge of the road as per our requirement. For example, I'm using click on this vertices, again click on this one, or we can click on this one, and we will change the road texture and complete appearance. It's just not a texture, but it's a complete appearance. Also, we have some offsets with from the train. So when we click on the build button, it will automatically snap to the road, and if we got any error, and it will not happen inside this thing, it will happen inside the client application. Okay, and the next part is beautification. Okay, let's just skip the beautification first, and let's add the cross areas. Select this one, add the crossings, and we will get the crossings. And also, if you want to remove the crossing, just remove the crossing. If you want to re-add the crossing, just click on this one and re-add the crossing. Okay, and it will match the width of the road. And okay, so if you want to extend the road, again click on this one, orthographic view, find your position, shift control or control shift, click on any vertices, click and drag. You will get the new road out of that. And on any point, if you want to change the height, you are yes, you have a control. Again, add the vertices, and for any reason, if it's move through the train, just press R and it will reset the positions. Again, click, drag, and press R again. Select the vertices, R. If R is not working, then just place the add the this one, what do you say, the crossing, and crossing again, and click, shift, and not control shift and drag. And if you want to connect this one, just click on this button, press shift, click first vertices, then second vertices, it will automatically snap. Then again we will move from orthographic view to the regular view. So we have successfully created our first block of this city. Okay, and if you want to beautify your road, for example here, or we can move toward here. Okay, click on the vertices, go to the side objects, add these lights, and if you want to add the green belt, yeah, we can create a green belt with the like side, what we said, these side objects, which are the edge of the road. And now it's giving the little bit fluctuation, and when we click on build button, it will not be fluctuated. Or if you want to adjust, just click and adjust the height or reduce the height on any point. And yeah, and if you want to remove this this green belt, just click on this one, and again it will be removed. And again, while selecting this one, we can add the middle lines with different option. It's not been overlapped. Click on this one. Again, for the blank road, we can add or remove these things. We can add the trees, and we can also remove the trees while selecting this one. Add or remove the trees, and also we can add the trees on both sides. And we can add the pedestrian area, this one, select this one, this and this. We have the pedestrian area, and voila, we have this beautiful side objects. Okay, and on any point, If you want to add the same object here, just select the vertices and add these objects, and here, here and here. Okay, and if you want to add here, add a vertices, just click on this one, add a vertex, adjust the vertices, click on this one, side, side, okay, and R, and adjust the position as per your requirement. Okay, so here's a beautification, and the next thing is, what if I want to rotate the buildings? Okay, so let's move toward this one. For example, if I add a building, for example, if you find this error like red cross or the red option, just intersect with any building and it will be reset. For example, if you want to change or remove or anything, let's see, if you want to scale up the building, select the building, select this one, press P, it will scale up the building. If you press the L, it will scale down the building. If you want to flip, it will flip as per your selection. Okay, and if you want to rotate, just add the rotation here. For example, 1 unit or 10 units. I have added the maximum 10 unit jump. Okay, and then click on this one and it will rotate. Okay, and you have a complete control. For example, if you want to rotate by 1 unit or for 6 unit, 2 unit, just add a positive or negative value and it will rotate. And if you want to rotate, or if you want to remove the building, select the building, remove. Okay, just this one, and oh sorry, I removed the building by mistake. Select the remove button, click, 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 and click. Remove the building, select, remove. Okay, so if you want to remove the road, click any vertices, go to the road section, and wait a second. If you want to remove the road, just remove the road. If you want to remove the cross area, just remove it. Okay, just select this one and remove it. It will be removed. So this is the presentation of our city designer. And one thing I have not enabled the save feature because it required the online web service. So you have to provide me the web service. Otherwise, we have to move from web to PC application. And if it's a PC application, I will save all the saved, like I will save all the all of these what we say levels locally in your computer. Or if we are using the web application, then definitely we have to send these rows over the server, and we will use two different APIs, one for client and one for our level designer, because we want to load these options on any time. For example, if we are working on any city, and on any point we just save the progress, and after 2 days or maybe 1 hour we came back and we want to resume, yeah, definitely then we will need a separate web API which will be responsible for saving the level progress. And if we want to submit that progress to the server, yeah, definitely we need a second web service. And I will teach all these requirement, or I will tell all the requirement to the person who will be responsible for the web API. Yeah, I will give him a JSON file, and according to that JSON, he will create a web API, and the web API will be created at the end of this second module, because we have to add some signboards, we have to add some what we say the traffic lights and traffic. So yeah, we need a final road save API web service at the end of the second module. So here it is, it's everything. And if you have any question, just let me know, and I will explain how to run the web build on your local computer in the second video. Bye.